GST Case Law. Subject: Supreme Court modifies detained goods release conditions. Supreme Court of India judgment as follows. This video is sponsored by PracticeGuru. Facts of the case. The case, titled Garg Oil Traders vs. State of Punjab, involved the provisional release of goods detained by GST authorities in the state of Punjab. In an interim order, the High Court had imposed conditions for the release of the detained goods, requiring the appellant assessee to make a cash payment of Rs 4 lakhs and furnish a bank guarantee for the balance due amount of 19,42,692 rupees. The appellant argued that in another case of a similar nature, CWP 17853/2023, decided by the same bench of the High Court, detained goods were released on the payment of 25% of the due amount in cash and the provision of a personal surety bond for the remaining amount, rather than furnishing a bank guarantee. The appellant contended that the same conditions should apply in their case as well, and they sought a modification of the High Court's order accordingly. The Supreme Court of India granted leave to hear the case, and despite the absence of representation from the state, the court heard the arguments of the appellant's counsel. Before moving ahead, please understand that tax litigation is going to be a big revenue-generating practice. To take advantage of it, start studying case laws from now with Courtwise. Subscribe to channel now. Let's now move ahead. Decision of the court. The Supreme Court acknowledged the appellant's submission that in a similar case decided by the High Court, detained goods were released on a different set of conditions, involving a 25% cash payment of the due amount and the provision of a personal surety bond for the remaining balance. The court found merit in the appellant's argument and concluded that the conditions imposed in their case should be modified to align with the conditions in the other case. As a result, the court allowed the appeal and directed the release of the detained goods upon the appellant making a cash payment of Rs 4 lakhs and furnishing a personal surety bond for the outstanding amount. The appellant was required to complete these steps within 1 week from the date of the court's decision. The court also granted the appellant the liberty to seek further remedies from the High Court after complying with the modified conditions. The court's decision effectively changed the conditions for the provisional release of detained goods in this case from the initial requirement of a bank guarantee to a cash payment and personal surety bond, in line with the conditions imposed in the other case before the High Court. Parties: Garg Oil Traders vs. State of Punjab. Citation: Civil Appeal Number 6930 of 2023. If you like the case law summary, please like and share it. If you want to read the case law, please refer the description of the video. If you want to grow your tax practice like 2000 other tax professionals, visit our website www.practiceguru.pro. Download our app One Click Branding, which is available on both Apple App Store and Google Play Store, or WhatsApp us on 9136667325. Also click on the link to watch next video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.